Good morning, I'm at North Coast Church Fallbrook. We just had some fencing installed around the ground HVAC units behind the building. So we're gonna go take a look, make sure they're built to spec and that they're exactly what we wanted installed. So as I walk up to them, the idea was to have these gates put in so that you can roll the gates out of the way and maintenance can be done on all three of the units. So we're going to go down and we're going to open all the gates and make sure all the units are accessible. So as we walk down to the first smaller gate down here, we push this one open all the way and we have full access to that unit right there. Then we come down to the next gate, open it all the way. Again, this gate offers us full access to this unit, and then we go down to the third and final gate, open it all the way, pushing all three gates down. We now have access to the last unit for any maintenance, and then we close them up. They roll smooth and good. They're not going to fall apart. Bring the final gate in. And again, we have security for the HVAC units.